Sound travels fastest through steel. Vibrations in an object produce sound. Which of these can sound not travel through? Vacuum. The loudness of sound is measured in decibel. Pitch of sound depends on its frequency. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Balochi Education. Which animal uses echolocation to move and hunt? Bat. When sound hits a surface and bounces back, it is called echo. A sound that is unpleasant to hear is called noise. Human ears can normally hear sounds between 20,000 Hz to 200,000 Hz. In humans, sound is produced by the vocal cords.